Hello guys and welcome back.
Hi guys, welcome back.
Today we have the Apple Watch Series 9 vs the Apple Watch SE. So let's go to the unboxing. We have the Apple Watch Series 9. So let's go to the unboxing. So, as you see, quite smaller packets than the previous ones. This is because of the carbon free target they have put in Apple. Let's open the box and see. Very nice colors inside. This is the one with the sport loop. Which you can find your strap. As you see, nice material, very good material. So here's the watch inside. We have the beautiful wire, it comes with it. This device has the new fast charging system, so you have less delay while charging your watch. This is the new watch wireless charger. So let's go to the watch, which they did package it very nice with this beautiful case, if you want to say. Let's install the strap on it to see how easy is that. So it's the 45mm one. And it has a onboard keyboard, if you want to say keyboard. Okay, so I said everything very nice. So we have here the two watches. We don't have the 41 inches. The SC, but we have the 45 Series 9. Both watches are quite similar in a way that you might think, shall I buy the cheaper version or shall I buy the more expensive one? And the reason is simple. We have a 44mm, the big model. This is not the 44, it's the 40, but we have similar screen. Both of them are carbon neutral, as Apple says. And as you see, Zoe,
yeah,
we have the Retina display. On the beautiful Series 9, you have a always on display.
Oh, it's always on display when you're actually wearing the device.
So we have a different CPU.
Yeah, a little bit stronger.
Yeah, it's a little bit stronger with Siri, and it has a offline Siri. But okay, we can say that it's okay. And we have a double tap thing on.
Yeah, the new one actually, you can actually wear it and go like that and actually activate.
So that's a gesture that it detects with the sensor on the back. So the sensors are a little different. But okay. So we go further down and we see that we have high and low heart rate notification, irregular rhythm notification, and low cardio fitness notification. And the only difference with the S9 is the ECG app, which in USA they banned the app because it's a copyright claim. So you can't buy, I don't know, they might remove the ban, but you can't buy the Series 9 in USA. Okay, so let's go to the rest of it. It says that it has a temperature sensing on that one. We have tested that and it's not so accurate. It just measures your temperature and where you are sleeping. Both of them, they have cycle tracking for women.
For us. Yes, it does.
So let's go to the next thing, which is they both have the emergency SOS, international emergency calling, and fall and crash detection.
So both have those. So
both they have 50 meters waterproof resistance. Both of them they have 18 hours of battery. So say every day you charge it.
There is a difference between the two of them, to be honest. This one says 18 hours, but actually, if you don't have the screen on display all the time, that is an option. It will last longer.
Okay, so what I notice on the S9 is if you have the always on display, for some reason it's stupid, I know. The battery lasts longer than if you switch it off, because when you switch it off, for some reason, I might be wrong, but it does that on and off, so it burns more power. The key difference is the always on retina display. You have on the iPhone 15 Pro Max the specific position of the S Series 9. If you don't have the iPhone 15 Pro,
it doesn't really
it doesn't matter.
Does it?
It doesn't matter. So we're gonna give you our honest opinion.
Yep.
Does it really worth buying Series 9 or the SE? What do you think, guys? Put on the comments and see your opinion. What do you think, Zoe?
To be honest, they're practically nearly the same. The new one just has a few more options that the other one doesn't have. So it's up to what you need. If you need like the always display and the other things it has in, I would say get this one.
Okay, so Zoe says if you want the always on display and the
or little apps that come with it, like the
ECG, yes.
Yeah, the trackers and all that, get that one. If you're not that bothered about those things, I would say just go with the
normal one.
Yeah, just the Series 9 one.
On the Apple website right now, we have the SC at $249 with the GPS and $299 we're talking on the cellular, and we have the Series 9 at $399 at the GPS and $499 at the cellular. So this was the challenge between those two guys. I hope you learned something new. And thank you very much, Zoe, for testing the watch for all these days.
You're very, very welcome.
Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And we will see you on the next episode.
Sorry, I just lost. We will see you on the next episode. Like and subscribe. Leave your comments below with your opinion.
Bye.
Bye.